Stock investing. Last week we talked about 8 earnings report. This week we're going to talk about 4 companies that are set to report earnings this week. And after watching this video until the end, you're going to know my favorite companies. Welcome to World Traveling, Millionaire, Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. So for good news is my mentorship. This gentleman made within 30 minutes, he makes over 749. Wow, that's pretty good. And she made over 1,100 in 30 minutes. Congratulations, my mentees. So these are good news for the past 3 days, within the past 3 days. Pretty good. 3 days, 1 day ago, yeah, they made within 30 minutes. Pretty good. This is a educational and entertainment purposes only, not a financial advice. Investing and trading involve risk. Results are not typical. Most traders lose money. Okay, this is a disclaimer. So last week, Trip.com, they were up 2.16%. Not so much. AutoZone, it went down 14.21%. I'm getting interested a little bit. Okay, if it's down 30%, hey, I may just buy it right away. Of course, this is my thinking. I'm not telling you to buy or sell any stocks. Okay, why did it drop? Because international expansion is not that good. Okay, and margin got compressed. And pressures of business from inflation, energy costs, and potential supply chain disruption. Probably, if a company stock drop like this, this may be a good time to enter. Usually, great companies, right? They rarely go down, right? They rarely go down. So the past 5 years, this is starting to form downtrend. I may probably wait. I may not want to buy. You see, the past 5 years, it's been up like this, like staircase. Now it's going down. Staircase. Okay, I'm getting interested a little bit. So I may probably add it to my watch list. Okay, for the next few quarters. See, it has broken support. You see, this may be a falling knife in the near future. So just be careful. Okay, next one, Zscaler down 20.06% the past 5 days. It's recovered a little bit. Within 1 day after earnings, it dropped 30%. Why did it drop? Because they lost 2 sales leaders in a company. Sales teams, sales and marketing is very important, especially when you have the 2 sales leaders who has big relationship with your customer for a long time. They may be in the middle of a acquisition project, right? A company, they are already familiar with these 2 sales leaders. If you introduce a new person, it may delay or maybe completely stop customer acquisition. So that's why the company internal turnover hurt the stock price, 31% down. Cybersecurity, artificial intelligence will upend their business model, yeah. But there are some other cybersecurity companies that have been going up. Zscaler is probably the exception. So let's see. Year to date, down 36.65%. 1 year, 52.34% is down. 5 year, I don't like this chart. Like I told you before the last stock market analysis video, if it doesn't beat S&P 500, I'm not interested. Next one, Snowflake. It went up like crazy. 52.50% the past 5 days. I was thinking about buying Snowflake before that. Why am I telling you that? Because it's okay to miss out. Okay, it's okay to miss out. Even I miss it. So it's very normal that people's gonna miss it. Warren Buffett still gonna miss it. So it doesn't matter. So why did it jump? Because AI helps this software company. So there's a narrative change. One narrative change, the stock re-rating happened. See, Snowflake is very used to up and down, up and down. So this may not be the first or this may not be the last. You know what? It may come down again. The next time it come down to $150, $120. I may be interested. But right now, I may stay put. Okay, I don't want to buy into this jump. It's overbought. Okay, But I will definitely keep it in my watch list, Snowflake. And also, it's boosted with investment in AWS too. So good news for Amazon. Okay. So next one, Costco. Oh, it's down 7.71%. Hey, why? Most likely inflation, and there are some of the areas that they did not do well, even though they sold record breaking gas for them, because consumer, they want to save money, they bought lots of gas at Costco. Yeah, so they are also submitted refund claims for the tariff as well. See, but Costco, I may be interested if it's down 30%. Okay, although because it's going downtrend, Costco are not so much of downtrend. You see, 5 year it's still keeping the uptrend, but it's different for AutoZone. AutoZone, if you see 5 year, it's going downtrend. So that's the different. That's the different downtrend. This is the uptrend. Costco, see, uptrend. So if it's down 30%, I may be interested. AutoZone, yeah, I will just wait a little bit more. Next one, BDD, it's down 9.14% the past 5 days. Year to date, see, it's 27.075% down year to date, BDD. And 5 year, it stays down. It doesn't beat S&P 500. BDD, why is down? They missed the earnings, so that's why it's down. In Marvel, yeah, it's up because it's my stock. Okay, it's my company. It's up, very normal. S&PS, one of their designer IP element is not doing well, so that's why it's down. But other than that, it seems to be fine. So stock number 4, HPE, is gonna be reported earnings this week. It's like going up. Like, I'm afraid that this may be an AI bubble, the beginning of AI bubble. You see, the past 5 years. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's just like a ladder to the moon. See, look at this. Oh, HPE is not a business that I'm usually interested in, so I may not be buying that. Although it beat S&P 500 because of the recent jump. I think mostly this year jump. Okay, the past 1 year, it just beat S&P 500. Year to date, yeah, that's why. So what do you think? Is it just a bubble, or do you think there is a fundamental change? Comment down below. Next one, Broadcom. You see, Broadcom is up year to date 28.52%. The past 5 days is up 6.92%. It's obviously because of AI. Broadcom is a big company, 2.12 trillion company. It beat S&P 500 very, very easily, 40.57%. Very, very easily. Hey, do I own this business? Of course, I own business. Every business I own, almost every business is a great company. So that's why their stock price goes up. 58.98%, 33,000 profit. Very good. Only 200 shares. I bought it 200 shares. Average cost is $280. You see, look at that. Yeah. So if you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel. Next one, CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike year to date 61.16% up. 5 year, it beat S&P 500. Yes, it used to be down. CrowdStrike. I bought it, but I sold it really early. So if you are a high level, most of the profits that you miss out, or maybe losses, is because you don't hold the stock long enough, right? That's at the highest level. Most investors like me, the missed opportunities, a loss or profit comes from not holding the stock, a great company, long enough. So that's one of the lessons to be learned, right? For the beginner, what's the biggest mistake? It's not learning stock investing course, attending a course, really attending a course formally before trading. They use their own cash. I always encourage my students to use demo account, which at the beginning, before they start trading their own money. Very normal. So that's how I manage my risk. Okay, start trading with a demo account for beginners. Next one is VV. Oh, year to date down 20.57%. 5 year it stayed down. It doesn't beat S&P 500. So I'm not interested yet. If I'm interested, if I buy it, I usually post it in my Patreon. Okay, these are the 4 stocks. So which are my favorite stock? Obviously, I own Broadcom, so this is my favorite. Another one, second one will be CrowdStrike. Yeah, HP, Viva. I'm not too sure yet. Okay, our time will tell. Just need to see their earnings report. So if you want to have a mentorship call with me, go to the link, Patreon. The link on the description comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.